You won't believe what happens every time this cat sneezes. He sneezed and landed in the Arctic, freezing next to penguins. Like and subscribe. Then, he was inside a pixelated video game, looking very confused. Floating TikTok icons appeared as he danced awkwardly. A T-Rex roared while he hid behind a shaking jungle leaf. He turned paper flat, flapping helplessly. Suddenly, he had fins and swam through a glowing aquarium. In space, he held his breath and drifted past a satellite. He crash-landed into a mountain of soft plush toys. Looking down, he realized he was turning into a banana. Now in cartoon hell, tiny demons chased him around lava. Back on the couch, he clutched his blanket, still sneezing. Dust swirled again, and Pawblink's nose twitched one last time.